Have you ever been in a situation when you realize that you don't have enough lights for the shot? Light sources. What if you have only one light source? Would it be possible for you to do all these images that we put in series for you on this workshop? Yes, now you can do this. Welcome to Pro Club Workshops number 69 at Photigy School of Photography. We are the best place to learn product photography online. You do the series of shots for the kitchenware on this assignment, and you can do it with just a single light and one diffuser. So this is an amazing opportunity to learn product photography for you if you don't have yet a huge studio or have like 7-10 lights yet. It's only one light. It will work if you have just a speed light or studio light, mono light, or maybe continuous light. It doesn't matter, everything will work for you on this workshop. I'll show you the shooting part. Artem Pisarevsky, our Pro Club instructor from the retouching part, will show you how to put everything in Photoshop. Fast, effective, and relatively easy if you know a little bit Photoshop. Okay, welcome to this workshop. If you are in Pro Club, you have 2 weeks to do your homework. In 2 weeks, we will sit online. You will watch us when we review your homework with Artem Pisarevsky. I'll tell you how to improve your image. In the camera, Artem will tell you what you can do better in Photoshop. If you're not in Pro Club yet, you're welcome to join us. We open for anyone. And even if you don't want to join Pro Club, let's do this challenge. Get one light, use only one light. You can use it even handheld. Actually, all the shots I did just a handheld light. And do something magnificent. Submit it on Photigy Instagram with tag Photigy. And, well, maybe we can review it. Maybe we will feature it and hundreds of thousands of photographers will see your work. Why not? It will be fun for sure. It's an amazing way to increase your productivity, your skills as a product photographer, and get some attention from people who may become your clients in the future. Okie dokie, you have 2 weeks, guys, in Pro Club. Let's do this. In 2 weeks, I'll see your work. Good luck, Photigians.